Okay, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to toggle on and off the red slider thing that goes on the home page. We're also going to show you how to edit the text in each of the slides and to edit the number of slides as well, up to 10 slides. So let's get started. This thing is done all from the back end, so there's no front end portion to this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the back end. What we're going to do is we're going to go to, this is kind of an area we haven't visited, but we're going to go to somewhere called Extensions. Then we're going to go down to Module Manager. Okay, so we got all kinds of modules. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sort these. Well, no, we're not going to sort them right now. But go down to the bottom where it says Display, turn it to All. Now you see all of the modules display on one page. What you're looking for is you're looking for a module named slider. If you want the modules to be in name order, you can just click the module name twice and it'll be in name order, and there's slider. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it brings up this secondary intuitive menu. The first thing I want to point out is to, enable the function, to enable the slider so that people can see it on the home page. And this is done very easily. Now, all you have to do is go over here to the left where it says enabled, and all you do is switch it from no to yes. And now I'm going to go ahead and save. And I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to refresh. And as you see, we have a slider. So that's how you do this. That's how you enable and disable the slider. Next, we're going to show you how to edit each individual slide of the slider. So on the right side over here, don't play with the items up here. Please don't play with them. Just say start item. That's all you need. You don't need to touch any of this information. What you do need to touch is you need to touch the advanced parameters. So go ahead and click on that. And you see how it comes up to, it says number of images. This is the number of slides that you want to display. And currently we have 4 slides because it says 4. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 slides. So I'm going to put it down to 3. You have to have 3 at least. That's just how the plugin works. So, and every time you have a slide, you want to click Display Image No. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the first 3. Title of this is, the title of the first slide is going to be Field Closing. And we're not going to put a link because there's no point in putting a link. We're going to call it Field Closing. We're going to say all FC Peoria soccer fields have been closed due to inclement weather. Okay, so I've put that in there. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to go into tab 2, and well, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, go it on, and, you got to fill all the information out. You can have as many tabs as you want. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording now to finish up and do a couple more tabs. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled out 2 more of the tab signups. So I'm going to go ahead now that you have all that done. I'm going to go ahead and hit save at the top. And now we're going to go back to the front page of FC Peoria site and refresh. As you see, what you get is you get the field closing, but you also get up here, you get sub-tabs. Okay, this thing rotates like this, very slowly, rotating through. But if you go up here and look, you've got an FC Peoria sign up, this is just a good GUI tactic to how, someone says, oh, tournament or field closing. Oh, Well, that might be important, so they go and click on that. That way it takes them directly to that. Because, I mean, if you have 10 tabs, I mean, that could take a while. I mean, it's 10 seconds per tab. I mean, that takes forever. So just remember that when you're doing this. Just so those are the basics on how to change the slider module so that you can display information on the front page in a big red box.